I'm recording now. Yo guys, today we're gonna be playing Animal Company with my friend Ian. He also has a YouTube channel. It has 11,000 subscribers. Yeah, subscribe to his channel. His name is It's Your Boy 2014. Yeah. My viewers watching this, I'm gonna release a fan code in Animal Company and Gorilla Tag if y'all get me to 50 subscribers. Yeah, like you guys better subscribe, or else I'm gonna get the revolver and shoot you. What? Yeah, but yeah, I think they can hear you. I think they can hear you. Okay, so we are ready to go mining. Time to go mining! Hey, stop hitting me! Guys, I'm not gonna tell you what happened in gym class. What? Yeah. Let me get the gray ones because I need those because I need to get enough money to get the revolver. Guys, ignore what I'm thinking about. No. You gotta be kidding me! I didn't even move! Yo, get a fork and do him like Thanos. Wait, that wasn't a part. Okay, so grab a fork. Yeah, bro. Here's what you should do to it. Yeah! Finally, now you can get the revolver, so both of us can get the revolver and shoot the guy. And shh. Okay. Can you? I am back. Yeah. Oh, you scared me. Hey, do you? Fuck. Whatever is whatever you know. Everybody's go subscribe to It's Your Boy 2014. Yeah, he says that. Now I think the red green light thing is about to spawn. It's been long enough. We're gonna. I saw a blue thing. I gotta go back there for the third time. Yo, POV that one kid that thinks he's the main character. A girl getting bullied. Hey, how dare you mess with her? Now you're gonna mess with me. Yo, the light shine. Hey, the chicken just attacked me. Boogly soogly. Don't. Oh, what the frick? Dude, why? Okay, just get the revolver. I'll get my own research. Yeah, you can have another candy. Why are you even asking me? I'm waiting until the red light green light thing comes. Yay! You have enough. No, I didn't get any research. What the frick? I just found a giant box. Yo, I found a shield and some cameras and a grenade. Yo, aren't you gonna come back in the sewer? Don't! Wait, what? Okay, fine, I'll kill myself. Time. Bro, I wish I could get in a... Wait, what? Russian roulette! Bye. You guys, that's the end of the video. Make sure you subscribe to my friend and me.